Welcome to MamboSoftware. This video is for showing how to receive payment under transaction list. Click on Clients, scroll down to Tenants transaction list and click on Receive Payment. Click on New. Select Tenant or Landlord, select Account, and select a name under Unit/Tenant. Under Total Amount, double-click and key in the amount. Under Receive Payment, select the items by checking the small boxes or click the Check All box. Click on Save and Close. On the dialog box that pops out, click Yes. Finally, click on Screen Preview. You can also reverse payment by clicking on the Reverse Payment button. Thank you for watching.